Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to save a file with a transparent background from Adobe InDesign. As you can see, I've just created a new InDesign document and designed this logo right here. If I move the logo, you can see that it is transparent. Let's say you want to save this with a transparent background. We can actually do that, and it's really simple. First, go to File, and then go down to Export. Let's rename the file. Next, we want to go down to the File Type option. Right now, it's set to Adobe PDF, but we want to change this to PNG so we can save it with a transparent background. Select PNG and then press Save. This will open the Export PNG panel. The first option here lets you select which pages to export. If you have multiple pages, you can export them all or choose a page range. In this example, we only have one page with our object, so I'll just leave it as it is. Next, make sure that the quality is set to maximum and the resolution is set to RGB. But the most important setting is down here in the Options section. Make sure Transparent Background is checked. If you don't do this, your file will have a solid background instead of being transparent. Once that's selected, just click Export, and your file will be saved. Let's go to the location where we saved it. This was our original image, and this is the image we just saved. If I open this, you can see that the image is transparent. So that's how you save a file with a transparent background in Adobe InDesign. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.